Yeah, once again, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm talking about monetag. This is basically a monetag review, and I will show you how monetag works and how you can improve your earnings on monetag. You don't ask to wrestle this monetag, and it's very legit. It's based. So if you can't get your site approved for Google AdSense, you can as well opt for monetag. So the first thing we need to discuss is how to improve your earning in monetag. So many people complain that monetag CPM is quite low. It doesn't pay much. But the reason is that the traffic coming to your site determines how much you will earn. The traffic coming to your site determines how much you will earn. So this is just a day. This is the 19th August 2025. To show you that it's a recent one. Now looking at it here, we have 427 impression, and we have total profit of $2. Very small impression, it's not even up to 1K. So with this little impression, we earn $2, and our CPM is 7.1, $7.01. So now let's look at it. The traffic that gave us this earning, where is this traffic coming from? So let's look at our country. As you can see here, we have the Philippines, we have 85 impression, and we have 0.016. We have Nigeria. We all know that Nigeria, their CPM is very low. We have 0.008. We have Indian, we have 0.010. And we have United States. United States is a tier 1 country, so their impression and their CPM is always high. Now look at our impression. Here we have 31, and the profit is $2, almost close to $3. And look at our CPM here, we have 91.52. So this alone has overshadowed all other countries and is the highest. So if you are targeting these countries that can pay for ads, countries that they have high purchasing power, then you surely earn well on monetag. So this is it here. We have 31 impression and we have $2. So let's look at 7 days. Now this is it. We have Nigeria, we have India, we have Philippines. This is it again. We have United States, which is 250 impression, and it gave us $5. Now, if most of our traffic is coming from US, then we'll be earning very, very high. And let's look at United Kingdom. It's also the same thing, 114, and we have 2 cents, and this is $1 for CPM, like that. So if you're targeting a tier 1 country, then your earnings will be high. So African countries, their CPM is very low. So always learn to target the tier 1 countries, not African countries or countries that their purchasing power is very low. So I think this should help, and you can use any of their ads method. You can use their pop-up, can use direct tag, can use push notification. They all work fine. So just target the country with higher CPM.